So I started in support about 10 years ago. When I first applied for a position at HCSS, I thought I wanted to be a programmer. So I applied for that position, did the whole interview process, got a call back from Sophie Ryden, and she said, hey, you weren't a fit for programming, but we thought you'd be great in support. And I decided, no, I don't want that position because I just didn't want to be that person on the phone. But she kept convincing me to come in and check out everything out. So I did. I came in, I did the interview process, it went through, I got the job. The first day I walked in the door at HCSS, I decided this is the place I wanted to be. And that was 10 years ago, and I'm still here. What I learned about our customers working with them in support is like they're just great people. First of all, when they call in, they like talking to us. They call in with a good attitude, they're not upset about anything. We have a great working relationship with them, and you get to learn a lot from them. You know, a lot of us here in support, we didn't come from the construction industry. We're all usually tech geeks or computer aficionados, or we work with AV equipment, things like that. But we like helping people. So it's pretty nice, you know, to have customers that actually are looking for help from you and that are very friendly about it. So while in support, I learned a lot about our products. You know, coming with a CIS background in college, I knew a bunch of things about technology, but I didn't know anything about estimating or heavy civil construction. But throughout my training here at HCSS and the time that I've spent with customers and industry experts and our contract trainers, I learned a lot about the product. Alright, so a funny story is one time when I was first taking calls in support, I was working with a customer and I had no idea how to fix this problem. So I thought I put the customer on mute while I was asking my supervisor for help, and I told my supervisor, I said, hey, I feel like a complete idiot. I have no idea what the answer is to this question the customer is asking me. And then my supervisor went over and told me, you know, what the answer was. So when I went back to talk to the customer, I realized I forgot to put my phone on mute. And I told the customer, hey, sorry about that. And he said, hey, don't feel bad. Don't feel like an idiot. I'm the idiot that's calling looking for help, and you're the guys that are helping me out on this thing. About my second year in support, you know, most of my job was just taking calls and things like that, but I noticed that there was a need in our department for more leadership and more people to kind of take on an employee developmental role with the newer employees coming into the department. So I kind of took it upon myself to start training up the new employees that came in on our heavy bid product and heavy job and how to work the phone system and how to use the email system. So I kind of took it upon myself to create our own in-house employee development program for support. So there are three qualities that we're looking for in a technical support person. One, do you like technology? And are you a gamer? Do you build your own PCs? Are you a web designer? Those kind of things. Second is, are you a problem solver? Do you like finding ugly problems to deal with and trying to find a solution for them? And third, the biggest quality is that you have a very helpful attitude and you like helping people out. You know, are you the go-to person for your family when they have IT issues? Are you the neighbor that all your neighbors come looking for when they need help on a project? Those are the three qualities we're looking for in support. I'm now the support manager for the technical support department here at HCSS. And one of the large-scale projects that I've worked on in the past couple of years is letting support become the release master for all our products out to our customers. One of the things I'm most proud of working in the support department for HCSS is that we're the springboard for other careers in the company. A lot of other support departments at other companies are kind of like the low part on the totem pole for a company. There's no room for advancement. Everybody thinks of support being a lowly person, but here at HCSS, support is the face of the company. Whenever you talk to our customers, you ask them, hey, tell me one thing about HCSS, the first thing on their mouth is they're going to talk about our support department. But it is the avenue to move into other positions in the company. You know, working in support, you work with our administration department, you work with marketing, you work with sales, you're heavily involved with product development and quality assurance. So after you've put a few years into the support department, then you can start making decisions where you want to take your career path from there. If you want to work in development, if you want to work in quality assurance, maybe even you want to sell software. But starting in support, you have that opportunity to do that here at HCSS.